rare lamb, red beets, and sauce Beurre Rouge. In fact, red, the color, is known to stimulate blood flow. That's right, red is actually an aphrodisiac. We're gonna cut these into coins because money is also an aphrodisiac. No, I'm just kidding, but you know what is? Shoes, ooh la la. Trick of the trade. Season your meat 30 minutes before, leave it at room temperature for best results. Woo! Less is more. Don't flip it back and forth and back and forth. Shallots, garlic cloves, rosemary and thyme. Ah, the aromas. Thick and syrupy. Every last drop. Butter. Cold butter. Now watch this. This is the trick. You do it off the heat. Beurre Rouge. French for red butter, hence the name. Beurre Rouge, pink peppercorn, aphrodisiacs. Gorgeous. Ooh. Butter definitely makes everything better.